Hi children, good morning to all. Today we are going to see exercise 2.2 and 2.3 remaining sections. Clear, in last class we have completed up to exercise 2.2 first two sections using few properties. Today we are going to see few more properties based on that calculations also. What are the properties we are going to see today means identity, distributivity, role of 0. What properties we are going to discuss today? Identity, distributivity, role of 0. First property is identity. What is that identity? 0 is called additive identity. What is it? 0 is called additive identity for whole numbers. For any whole number A, 0 plus A equal to A plus 0 equal to A. This is additive identity for whole numbers. You can ask the in exam they can ask the question, dash is called additive identity for whole numbers. What do you give there? What is the answer for that? 0. 0 is called additive identity for whole numbers. How it is coming? If you add any number with 0, we will get the same. For example, 0 plus 5 equal to 5. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. 0 plus 100 equal to 100. Whatever add with 0, we will get the same number. So that we are telling 0 is called additive identity for whole numbers. Like that, multiplicative identity 1. 1 is called multiplicative identity for whole numbers. In general, how we can tell? For any whole number A, 1 into A equal to A into 1 is equal to A only. Yes, for example, 7. Take 7. 7 is a whole number. If you multiply 7 by 1, what do you get? 7 into 1, 7. Like that, 10 into 1, 10, 100 into 1, 100. So whatever may be, multiply any whole number by 1, we will get the same. That's why 1 is called multiplicative identity. Addition wise, 0 is called additive identity. So the first property is identity element for whole numbers. Under addition, under multiplication. Addition wise, which will you tell? Identity means 0. Additive identity for whole numbers is 0. Like that, multiple wise, multiplicative identity for whole numbers is 1. Clear, children? Next property is distributivity. Very important topic. Based on this property, important questions will come. Clear? In 4 mark level. What is distributivity means? These two, here two operations will come. If you observe closely the other properties and all, what are the other properties? Closure, commutative, associative. There if you watch, we will use one operation only one time. Addition means addition only. Subtraction means subtraction only. Multiple, division and all one time only. But in this property only two operations will function together. Multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. Clear? Two operations will involve to same time. Means which property? Distributivity only. So there are two cases under multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. Clear, children? Two cases are there. See, here for us given multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction only given here. Using this property, we are going to solve the sums. Clear? What is that? For in general, for any three whole numbers A, B, C, A may be 10, B may be 5, C may be 100, like that. Whatever may be, we can choose ABC values in whole number category. For any three whole numbers A, B, C, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. What is that, children? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Like that, multiplication over subtraction. What it is telling? A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is multiplication over addition. This is multiplication over subtraction. By here, see, by watching this, you can feel it is difficult. But while using this formula in calculation category, it is very easiest one only. Let me explain usage of property, especially distributive property here while solving sums. Clear? So this is very important property ma. What is that? Distributive property. What is that called? Distributive property. In this case only, we in operations involve two tools: multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. Clear? We will use this property while solving time. Next property is role of 0. About 0 we are going to see again. Additive identity wise we have talked about 0. Again we are going to talk about 0 under division. Division of any whole number by 0 is not defined. Very important topic regarding division operation wise. Clear? What you are going to tell about 0 for division wise? Division of any whole number by 0 is not defined. What they are telling here, see ma, 0 by 5 is equal to 0, but 5 divided by 0 is not defined. This is the meaning of this. Say 0 divided by 5. You have to divide 0 by 5. That time your answer is 0. Oppositely, if you divide 5 by 0, that is meaningless, not defined. This only here mentioned. Division of any whole number by 0 is not defined. How both are coming? See here, what is this meaning? You have to divide number 0 by 5. So you know well, 0 divided by, that only I have written here, 0 divided by 5. That form only I have written in division category. Clear? Here 0 is dividend, 5 is the divisor. If you divide 0 by 5, what do you get? What do you get? Actually 0 is nothing, no value here. So you don't have anything. That you have to make 5 cuts. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. So you have nothing, but you have to divide that 5 times, means answer also comes nothing category only. Clear? So எதுமே இல்லை, அதை வந்து 5 times கட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும்? எதுவுமே இல்லாதது தான் வரும். So for 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. Clear? But here how comes meaning? 5 divided by 0. Clear? 5 is the number. You have 5 chocolates. That you have to cut 0 times. 0 times nothing but no time. அப்போ நீ கட் பண்ணவே இல்லை அந்த இடத்துல. Clear? So work is not happened. Meaningless. Here division work is not started. Clear? So that only we are telling. Here you know the meaning. Nothing. No thing is there. No object is there. That you have to cut by 5. 5 times you have to cut. அப்போ எதுவுமே இல்லாத 10 தடவை கட் பண்ணாலும் 8 தடவை கட் பண்ணாலும் 5 times கட் பண்ணாலும் உனக்கு ஆன்சர் 0 times only. Clear? But here you have 5 objects, 5 chocolates, 5 things you have. But in divisor category only 0 is coming. அப்போ இந்த இடத்துல எந்த வேல்யூ கிடையாது. அப்போ no time you are going to cut. அப்போ கட் பண்ணவே இல்லாத போது how you can get the answer? So meaningless. Understood children? This only we have written here, role of 0 under division wise. How we can tell? Division of 0 by any whole number is always 0. Here division of any whole number by 0 is not defined. Understood? So these 3 properties we have seen now. Based on these properties we are going to solve sums given in exercise 2.2. Clear? In exercise 2.2 up to first and second we have completed in last class. Now I am going to teach you third section using the property. Third sum what is given? Third section, find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. 4 questions given here. In that first question, 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Using, we have to find out. First of all, what to do? See, you usually, how do you multiply? First you will say multiply this, then you will multiply this, then both answers you will add. Like this only you will complete. But what I am going to do here, see, 297 into 17 plus 297 into 13. Instead multiplying step by step. First part, this is second part. Both multiplication work have to do, and then we have to add. This is normal procedure. But for making calculation easier, how I am going to do? First, I have, instead of multiplying part by part, first of all I have taken 297 here. First check using which property wise this sum is coming here. See, 297 into 17 plus 297 into 13. Multiplication over addition. Two operations together coming. That means which property is silently involved here? Means distributivity. First category, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Our question is matching with this side. See, in formula also A only coming 2 times. Likewise, in our question, which number is coming 2 times means 297. So, I am taking this number as A. A into, this is B. A into B plus A into C. Like this. A into B plus A into C. Our question is matching with the right hand side of the distributive property. So it is enough to prove that left hand side. It is enough to prove that left hand side. So what this is distributive property. Means what is that right hand side? What is left hand side? Here A into B plus C. See ma, again I am telling our question is matching with this part. So that means we will enough to prove only that left hand side, not necessary to prove in this way. Clear? So that instead multiplying here, I am going to solve this part. A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Clear? So A value what we assumed? 297 into B value 17 plus C value 13. Sorry, 3 only. 3 only ma. B value is 3 here. Clear? So A into B plus C. Using distributivity left hand side, I am going to solve this sum. So 17 plus 3, 20. 20 into A value 297. Multiply 0 into anything? 0. 2 7s are 14. Remainder 1. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19. Remainder 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So answer for this question is 5940. Clear children? 5940 is the answer for this sum. What I did, using distributive property, I have solved it. First of all, check our question is matching with that property or not. And also which side, whether left side means it is enough to prove right side. Suppose our question is matching with the formula right side wise, means it is enough to prove only that left side part. Clear children? So our question is matching with the right side. For that I have proved that left side part. Clear? Likewise, in this one more question, in third section, 4 questions are there. I am doing D question here. What is given? 3845 into 5 into 782. 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. Biggest multiplication. Clear? 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. We have to solve this. So, what to do? It takes time, no? If you multiply directly, first what to do? This into this, then that answer into this. This is one part, this is one part. Then here you will come and multiply these two numbers, then multiply by that. Finally, both answers you have to add. This is the procedure. But if you use the formula, your solving time will be easier. So, I am going to choose the formula. But in the formula, just 3 values only, A, B, C, 3 numbers only given. But here we have lot. Here itself 3 numbers are coming in multiple. Here also coming 3 numbers in multiple. So, we have to simplify the given numbers little bit level. One more step we have to do, and then we will try to match the formula. What I am trying to tell, understood? In this position, this sum is not matched with the distributive property. So, I am going to simplify this question from this to one more step, lower level. So, in which way I am going to simplify? See, first I am going to multiply these two. See, in the 3 numbers connected with other numbers in multiple. In that I have taken first 2 numbers for multiple. Multiply, what answers we are getting? 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. Remainder 2. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. Remainder 4. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19,225. If you multiply the first 2 numbers, the first set, we are getting the answer 19,225. Into this number 782. Let it be. Come to here. Here also 3 numbers connected in multiple notation. In that I am going to multiply the first 2 numbers. 769 into 25. Multiply. 9 5s are 45. Remainder 4. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Remainder 3. 7 5s are 35 plus 3, 38. Next tens number. 9 2s are 18. Remainder 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. Remainder 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. Add 5. 4 plus 8, 12. Remainder 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Remainder 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Here 1, 19. So, 19,225 into 218. See children, what I did here, when the 2 set of multiplication given here in the question, in that I have multiplied first 2 numbers in the first set, likewise second 2 numbers in the second set I have multiplied. At that time my answer is coming equally. For the first case, this product is this one, this product also this one, both are equal, 19,225, 19,225. Now try to match the property here. How it is coming? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. First case, addition wise coming our question. So we can use that formula. Now see, if you can, here in the formula A only coming 2 times. Likewise, in our step, this number only coming in 2 places also. So consider this as A. A into B plus A into C is equal to what answer? A into C. A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. Our question is matching with the right side part. So it is enough to prove that left side. A into B plus C. So what is A value? A value is 19,225 into, what is B value? 782 plus, what is C value? C, this is B, this is C, 218. See, 19,225 into, add both numbers, 2 plus 8, 10, remainder 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, remainder 1, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Clear? Now this into this you have to multiply. So 0 into anything, 0 only. So totally 3 zeros are there. Add here. Remaining 1 into this. 1 into this only. So 19,225 as it is comes. This is the answer for this question. Clear? 1 crore 92 lakhs 25,000 is the answer for this sum. See if you multiply directly this into this, then this into this, like this here, and then add, it takes time. That also correct only, but using formula we can solve the sum quickly. Clear? So understood or not what I did? In the given position our property is not matched. So I have simplified one more step here. First of all, I have multiplied these two numbers. Here the first two numbers I have multiplied. At that time I got equal answer in both places. So at that time I used that formula, matched correctly. So I have solved that left hand side part. Clear? Using distributive property we can solve the bigger type of calculations easily. Understood? Next, fourth section. Fourth section also distributive property usage only ma. Find the product using suitable properties. Find the product using suitable properties. What the 1, 2, 3, 4 questions given. I am doing 2 questions here. The first question is find using suitable property. First question, 738 into 103. 738 into 103. Just normal multiplication wise given. But what is the heading? Using suitable property, solve it. Like that question is given. So what to do? You have to use property there. Clear? So 738 into 103. Keeping in this position, we can't match the formula. So what I am going to do? For my convenience, I am going to split this. Without changing that value, just alternatively, I am going to write this step. How? See, 738 into 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. I didn't change that value, but for my convenience, I have split it in addition. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Now match the formula. A into B plus C. First formula. A into B plus C. Distributive property only. Here suitable property. What is the heading? Find the product using suitable property. So here suitable property means multiplication over addition. Two operations are involving here. Two operations means immediately we have to use which property? Distributive property only. Clear? So here distributive property only, suitable property. Clear? A into B plus C is equal to what? A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. Clear? So what is A value? 738 into B value 100 plus A into C 738 into C value 3. See, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Clear? Now I am going to solve this side. 738 into 100, just add 2 zeros there. 0 into anything? 0. 0 into anything? 0. 1 into that number itself. So 738 into 100 is equal to 73,800 plus here just multiple only. 738 into 3. 8, the third table. 8 3s are 24, remainder 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11, remainder 1, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22. Clear? So add A into B, that value is this one, A into C, that value is this one. Both should be added. So 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 1, 1. 8 plus 2, 10, remainder 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 7 as it is. So 76,014, that is the answer. Clear? Like this, one more question is there, D question. (1005) into 168. 1005 into 168. This I will do. Remaining 2 questions you have to take practice. See which is easy to split? 1005 only. So 168 as it is keep. 1005 can be written as 1000 plus 5. 1005 can be splitted in addition like this, 1000 plus 5. Now this part wise our question is matching. A into B plus C, distributive property only, suitable property here. Okay, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So this into this first. So 168 into 1000 plus A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So 168 into 5, that is the second step. So how comes this into this? 3 zeros you can see, 0 into anything, 0 only, no? So totally 3 zeros are there, add as it is. 1 into 168, 168. Clear? Plus 168 into 5, fifth table, multiply. 8 5s are 40, remainder 4, 6 5s are 30 plus 4 34, remainder 3, 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 8. So final answer, added this plus this, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 4 4, 0 plus 8 8, 168 for this, here no number as it is. This is the answer for this. What I did, question is 1005 into 168. Heading is using suitable property multiply, find the value, like that. So suitable property means distributive property only. According to that property we have to split and write, but without changing that value. So in that basis this 1005 I have splitted as 1000 plus 5. Now this is exactly matching with that formula. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Clear? So this value is this one, this value is this one, then both answers addition. That's all. Easiest form. Clear? Instead of calculating normal multiplication wise, if you use the formula, easily you can get the answer. Clear? Like this, using distributive property, word problem also given. In next section, we will see that. See, fifth question. A taxi driver fills his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost is 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? What is given here? A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank on Monday by 40 liters of petrol. The next day, Tuesday, he filled his car by 50 liters of petrol. The cost of 1 liter petrol is 44 rupees, means for filling 2 days, how much did he spend money? This is the question. So what to do? Monday's petrol in liter, Tuesday's petrol in liter, then cost of 1 liter petrol is given here. So how do you solve this sum? First of all, we have to add Monday-க்கு எவ்வளோ அடிச்சிருக்காங்க, பெட்ரோல் எவ்வளோ ஃபில் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, டியூஸ்டே எவ்வளோ ஃபில் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ டோட்டல் எத்தனை லிட்டர்ஸ் 2 நாளுக்கு ஆயிருக்கு? 1 லிட்டர், காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் 1 லிட்டர் இஸ் திஸ் மச், மீன்ஸ் ஃபார் completing 2 days, how much will come? Like this we have to work out. See here. Say fifth question. Word problem, no? So statements must be written. He filled his car on Monday. How much liters? 40 liters of petrol. On Tuesday, how much? Tuesday, 50 liters of petrol. Okay, the cost of 1 liter petrol is given. Cost of 1 liter petrol. How much? 44 rupees. This is given matter. What we have to find out? Total cost spent by the person. Clear? So what to do? Therefore, total cost. Total cost is spent by him. Total cost is total cost is spent by him. How much? 44 rupees into 2 days petrol liter, liters of petrol. Monday 40 liter, no? Plus Tuesday 50 liter. Clear? See, this is cost of 1 liter petrol. These are liters on Monday, liters on Tuesday, both to be added. So in this portion, you can think about distributivity. Yes or no? A into B plus C. Distributive property is suitable here. So using that we can solve. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Clear? So you can add otherwise. 44 into 40 plus 50, what is that? 90 liter. B plus C answer is here 90. Now multiply A into that. So 0 into anything 0, 9 4s are 36, remainder 3, 9 4s are 36 plus 3, 39. So rupees 3,960 is spent by that person for filling 2 days petrol. Clear? So like this word problem comes, you must read it many times and then apply the suitable formula there, then solve it. Clear? Like that, one more question is there. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. Here Monday petrol, Tuesday petrol. In next question, morning milk, evening milk supplied by the milk vendor. Clear? Both are same only. If that milk costs us rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? ஒரு நாளைக்கு அவருக்கு எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் கிடைக்கும்? காலையில் இவ்வளோ லிட்டர் சப்ளை பண்ணுறாங்க, ஈவினிங் இவ்வளோ லிட்டர் சப்ளை பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா டோட்டலாக ஒரு நாளைக்கு அவருக்கு எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் கிடைக்கும்? This is the question. Here Monday's petrol, Tuesday's petrol. Here morning milk, evening milk. That's all. Same type of question only. Solve yourself. See, next to see 7th section, match the following. 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. In which property wise this sum is given? Match. Matching work only. Easily you can solve. B question, 2 into 49 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 into 49. Just a associativity under multiplication given. Otherwise commutativity also can be taken here. 3 options at the right side given. One is commutativity under multiplication, commutativity under addition, distributivity of multiplication over addition. Just easiest part, check which is matching with the another. Like that, check and complete. 1 mark level only, you try yourself. Clear children? See, next if you go see exercise 2.3, distributive property based sums coming. Clear? 4th section, find using distributive property. In exercise up to this we have seen exercise 2.2 sums. In exercise 2.3 also 4th section, distributive property only. So in many cases that property usage is involved. So you have to take practice in that category mainly. 4th section I am doing, find using distributive property. So in 2 exercise also distributive property only coming many places. Clear? You have to thorough that model. See exercise 2.3, 4th section. Using distributive property solve it. Like that question is given. Find it using distributive property. Clear? First question, 728 into 101. 728 into 101. Like this is given. What to do? Heading, just watch. Find the answer using distributive property. So question is just normal multiple ways given, but distributive means 2 operations must be involved. How that means we have to split the question, we have to alternate the given question according to that property. Clear? So I am going to split this 101 in addition wise 100 plus 1. Correct only? No, I am not going to change that value. Just for my convenience, according to that property I have alternately written under addition. Clear? Now match the formula. A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Clear? Now what is A value? 728 into B value 100 plus A again 728 into C value 1. A into B plus A into C. Now 0 into anything 0 only, no? So 2 zeros. This into this 0 only. Now 1 into 728, 728. So answer here for the first part 72,800 plus 1 into this, that only. So 728 into 1, 728. Add both answers. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 2, 2. 8 plus 7, 15. Remainder 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 as it is. So 73,528. That's all. Like this, only remaining 3 questions given, you have to split. See next question, 5,437 into 1,001. 1,001 means how do you split? 1,000 plus 1. In the next question, C question, 824 into 25. 25, how do you split? 20 plus 5. Next question, 125. 100 plus 20 plus 5. Like that you can split and go. Easiest model only. Using distributive property, you can solve the question in easy way. Quickly, time will be saved. Instead of doing normal multiplication, if you use this property, quickly you can finish your work. Okay, ma. That's all. Distributive property based sums over. Then remaining 2 questions. Let me explain in exercise 2.3. What is given? So if you see the first question, 1 mark level only given. What is it? Which of the following will not represent 0? Which of the following will not represent 0? See ma, exercise 2.3, first question, 1 mark level. 4 options given. First option, what is given? 1 plus 0. Second option, 0 into 0. Third option, 0 divided by 2. Fourth option, 10 minus 10 by 2. Like this 4 options mentioned. But what they are asking here, among these 4, which will not represent 0? அதாவது கீழே இருக்கிற 4ல எந்த ஆன்சர் வந்து 0 வராத answer. Like that, if you solve, you will not get 0 as the answer. Like that, which is given. கண்டுபிடி, கீழே கொடுக்கப்பட்டதில் எதை சால்வ் பண்ணால் உனக்கு ஆன்சர் 0 வராது. will not represent 0. Clear? Just work out all the 4 options. If you work out the first one, what is given? 1 plus 0. What is the value? 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 only. Come to B, 0 into 0, 0 only. C, 0 divided by 2. Any whole number, division of 0 by any whole number is always 0. Here 10 minus 10, 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0 only. So among the 4 options, here is the 0, here also 0, here also 0. But A question only will not represent 0 as the answer. Here instead 0, here is coming 1. So this is our suitable option. Clear? What is the heading part? What is the heading? Which of the following will not represent 0? This option only will not represent 0. 0 க்கு பதிலா நமக்கு வேற நம்பர் கிடைச்சிருக்கு, வேற ஆன்சர் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So this is the correct answer. Like that, you have to take practice like this other type of questions also. Observe the question properly, in which way they have asked it. Next, second also 1 mark level only. If the product of 2 whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through example. What is given here? If the product of 2 whole numbers is 0. Second question, 1 mark level only. If one product, the 2 numbers you have taken and multiple, at that time your answer is 0. That means Can you say both places you want 0 for getting answer 0, or in one place 0 is enough for getting answer 0? This is the question. என்னம்மா கேட்குறாங்க, ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் ஒரு மல்டிபிள் ஸ்டெப் எடுத்தேன்னா ஆன்சர் உனக்கு 0 வரணும் அப்படின்னா 2 இடத்துலையும் 0 இருக்கணுமா இல்லை ஒரு இடத்துல 0 இருந்தால் போதுமா? This is the question meaning. Clear? What is given? If the product of two whole product multiple, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, can you say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through example. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணும்? Suppose in both place means 0 into 0, 0 only. But it is not compulsorily entered like this. In one place 0 also we will get the answer 0. Yes or no? We no need to express, we no need to expect to have two places also 0. For getting answer 0, it is not necessary. ஒரு இடத்துல 0 இருந்தாவே நமக்கு answer 0 வந்துரும். Clear? So 1 into 0, 0. 7 into 0, 0. So in the place of 2, 1 0 means automatically our product will be 0. Clear? That only they asked it. Can we say that one or both of them will be 0 to have answer 0? இப்போ என்ன ஆன்சர் சொல்லுவேன்? ஒரு இடத்துல 0 இருந்தாவே போதும். So you have to underline the word one of them. Therefore one of them will be 0. One of them will be 0 to get the product 0. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரில் ஒரு இடத்துல 0 இருந்தாவே நமக்கு ஆன்சர் 0 வந்துடும். This is the question meaning. See next, third question also 1 mark level only. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, now they given product of two numbers is 0. In third question they are talking about 1 in the product. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through examples. What they are telling? Product on multiple step you have taken, at the time you have to get answer 1. That means in two places of the numbers will you enter 1, or in one place is enough for getting answer 1? Like that they are questioning. Two numbers you have taken, you are multiplied, at the time your answer was 1. That means did you take in two places also 1, or in one place only 1? Like that they are asking. What to do? எப்போ நமக்கு answer 1 கிடைக்கும்? You have to choose two numbers and multiply. At the time our answer must be 1. Means will you take two separate numbers or same number 1 into 1, like that? If you put 1 only in two place, that means in both of them, in both place if you put 1 only, your answer must be 1. Other than that, in one place 1, in other place other number, means you will get the different answer only. 1 into 7 is 7, 1 into 8, 8, 1 into 10, 10. But when will you get answer as 1? Means in both place you must choose the same number 1. 1 into 1 only 1. So in two places also if you put 1 only, you will get the answer 1. But in the previous category 0, 1 into 0, 0. ஒரு பிளேஸில் 0 இருந்தாவே ஆன்சர் 0 வந்துடும். பட் ஃபார் கெட்டிங் ஆன்சர் 1, இன் போத் பிளேசஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு புட் 1. Clear? This is the answer. So how do you write here? உனக்கு ப்ராடக்டில் ஆன்சர் 1 வரணும்னா ஒரு இடத்துல 1 போதுமா இல்லை ரெண்டு இடத்துலையும் 1 வேணுமா? This is the question. Just observe. In one place if you apply 1, you are getting the different numbers only. 1 into 7, 7. You are getting the different answers. You are not getting number 1 as the answer. So what to do? If you enter 1 in 2 places only, you will get the answer as 1. So what do you write? Both, therefore both of them will be 1. Both of them will be 1. To get the product 1. Understood? That's all, children. So exercise 2.2, 2.3, mostly properties used only, questions coming. Mainly distributive property you must thorough, because in 2.2 and 2.3 in both category distributive property based many sums we have solved. Clear? So you must take practice in distributive category. Clear? These under 1 mark category, just revise. Thank you, Pa. Based on this worksheet will come, take practice. Thank you.